Losing your Android phone can feel like losing a piece of yourself, but don't panic, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to track it down. First up is Google's built-in Find My Device feature, which is your best bet for a quick recovery before anything goes missing. Make sure Find My Device is enabled on your phone. Go to your phone's settings, then tap on Google, then Find My Device. Make sure the toggle is switched on. Now, if your phone is lost, head to Android.com. Find on any computer or another phone, sign in with the same Google account that's on your lost device. You'll see a map with your phone's approximate location. Find My Device will try to locate it, and if successful, display its location on the map. From here, you have a few options. Play sound will make your phone ring at full volume for 5 minutes, even if it's on silent. If you think it's nearby, this is perfect. If you can't recover it immediately, select Secure Device. This lets you lock your phone with a new password or PIN and display a message on the lock screen with contact information. As a last resort, if you're sure you can't get it back, you can choose Erase Device. This will factory reset your phone, wiping all your data. Note that after erasing, Find My Device won't work anymore. Now, let's explore third-party apps. There are various options like Cerberus or specific security apps from your phone's manufacturer that offer extra features like remote camera access and advanced tracking. Keep in mind, you need to install and set these up before you lose your phone for them to work. And that's it. By using Google's Find My Device or third-party apps, you can significantly increase your chances of recovering your lost or stolen Android phone and protecting your personal information. Don't forget to subscribe for more Android tips and tricks.